Hi, my name's Ty and I'm an exercise specialist. A lot of people come and talk to me about fear of falling or not having as much hip strength or mobility through their hips as they would like to have. And as we get older, that's one of the things that naturally tends to happen if we're not exercising. So we're going to cover some exercises today in a standing position and in a lying down position that will help you increase the range of motion through your hips and help keep you more confident on your feet so that you can do more activity longer throughout your years. All right, so we're going to work on a standing position for increasing your hip mobility and stability. So we've got Bill here. We're going to do 3 exercises or movements that help work on hip strength. Because he's standing, he's also going to be working on balance for that stable leg. We've got a chair here set up so that he can hang on to something. If you didn't need the chair, you can take it away, but for most people that's a safe place to start. So you ready to go?
Ready to go.
Okay, so first thing we're going to do is lead leg comes forward. So we're going to do this 5 times. Good. 2. A lot of the times you'll see people end up putting that foot back down on the ground in between lifting. 1 more time. If you cannot do that, then that's going to challenge you a bit more. Now to the side. Good. So we're making sure that we stay nice and straight. You're not leaning over when you lift your leg. Breathing the whole time. That's 4. You got 1 more?
Okay.
Okay, and then we go backwards. So we want to keep that leg nice and straight, just to there. Good. And staying nice and tall so you don't lean forward at all. Good. You got 2 more, please. Good. And look like you're having fun. Perfect. That's
Lots
great.
of fun.
So at this point, we can string all 3 of those movements together. So we'll have you do 3 repetitions of that. Okay, so it's forward, then out to the side, and then back. Keep going like that. So you'll notice that he's not putting his foot down in between the repetitions. That's going to challenge his other leg a lot more because it doesn't give it a break. And you can probably see by Bill's face that he's working pretty good. Was that 3?
3.
All right. 4 for extra. I like it. 1 more time. And you can relax. So from a standing position, this is a great way to really work on strengthening your hips to help prevent falls because you've got stronger lower body. And it works just on mobility and good strength there.
Yeah.
So good job.
You can feel it better.
All right. So we're going to work on some hip mobility. And we're doing this from a lying down position this time. So Carol's going to help us out and show us how this should look. We're going to be working our top leg on this side. So the first thing we're going to do is lift your top leg up to hip height. Perfect. And we're going to do forward. So 5 times, bring it forward and then back to straight. There you go. 2, 3, breathing the whole time. 4 and 5. Good. Bring it back, relax for a second. Next one we're going to do is lifting it up. Ready? So starting at hip height again. So bring it up. Yeah. Then you come up and back down. That's 1. So we're going to do 5 of these. Keep going. Although we're working on this area of the body, because you've got a balance, your core is also working. You've got 2 more, please. So it's a good multi-muscle action. Good. Relax. The last one we're going to do is have Carol hold her leg up and then come backwards this time. So for this one, there's a big balance component. You can kind of see she's challenging herself. When her foot comes back, she wants to tip forward. So your abs, your low back, your hip, everything is integrated so that you are pretty strong and you develop a lot of strength there. Good? So then as you get stronger, you can string these 3 together. So we're going to do a few of those just to show you now. So foot comes up to hip height. So we're going to go forward and then up and then back and then repeat. Forward, up, back. Still breathing, please. Up and back and relax. Good. So that's some hip strengthening stuff which creates stability and increases your strength and mobility through your hip region.